One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Myra here, and today I'm gonna do a different kind of video. So this time, I'm going to answer 20 questions. I got this, by the way, from Pinterest. These are random questions that I wanted to answer in front of you para lang mas makilala nyo pa ako ng mas mabuti. Okay? So, let's begin. Okay, question number 1. Thing you cannot leave the house without. Phone. Favorite brand of makeup? I think right now it's Everbelena for local brand and Maybelline. Ayan. Favorite clothing store? Simula na pumunta kami dito nag-move na kami dito sa province and wala na masyadong malls na malapit. Wala na akong favorite na clothing store. Kasi I can only go whenever. So, yun. Anyway, favorite perfume. What's my favorite perfume? Eto. I don't know what brand this is, pero galing kasi ito ng Japan. Gift sa akin ng tita ko. And I really, really love the scent of this. Sweet, pero subtle lang. And I really love the packaging. Ang cute ng packaging nito. So, ito yung favorite perfume ko. Next, heels or flats? I definitely love wearing heels, but I can go for flats on ordinary days. Do you make good grades? Nung nag-aaral ako, oo. Good, but not best. Kasi medyo tamad din ako mag-aral nung bata ako. Pero hindi naman ako yung bumabagsak talaga. Okay, I do make good grades. Favorite colors? Blue. Blue. Yung shade na may pagka-baby blue in particular. Yun. Do you drink energy drinks? Not really. No. Do you drink juice? Sometimes. Do you like swimming? Yes, I do. Do you eat fries with a fork? No. Mas masarap siya na kinakamay. Favorite moisturizer? Oh! Ang favorite ko ngayon currently is this one from Celetec. Moisturizer siya na may sunscreen. So, this is my current favorite right now. Do you want to get married later in life? Hindi to applicable sa akin kasi married na ako. Do you get mad easily? Kapag stressed ako tsaka kulang sa tulog, yan, masungit ako. At saka pag magkakaroon at meron. Yan, yun yung mga times na masungit ako. Are you into ghost hunting? Nung bata ako. Kasi naniniwala ako na may ghost dun sa school namin. So, inaabangan namin na parang chinichempohan namin na magpakita siya na walang tao. Yun. Any phobias? Heights. Takot ako sa matataas na lugar. Meron akong lula. Do you bite your nails? Nung bata ako, yes. Ngayon, no. Have you ever had a near-death experience? Wala pa naman. Do you drink coffee? Yes, definitely yes. I love coffee. Because if you don't know, Batanggenyo ako. Batanggenya. Half of my blood is Batanggenya. So, I love coffee. Especially yung Barako. I love na love ko yun. But since malayo na ako sa Batangas, I'm here in Zambales, I don't get to buy yung freshly na giniling na kape, wala nang dito. So, only on the times na lumuluwas kami and pupunta kami sa province ng dad ko, that's the time that I really get fresh na giniling na kapeng Barako. Yan. That is it for our video. Quick video lang just to open myself up to you. And if you want me to do this one more time, do let me know down in the comment section and gagawa pa tayo ng ganito. It seems fun. I like it. And masaya rin na nakakapag-share. And at the same time, parang na-check ko yung sarili ko. O nga, no, yun nga pala yung favorite ko. No? Yung mga tipong ganun. So, anyway, I hope you like this video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, and also give this video a thumbs up kung nagustuhan mo siya. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.